The Chat Software Update 2.37 is now available. There are a few new features we want to highlight for you. Let's take a look. First, we are excited to introduce the User Backup and Restore feature. This feature allows you to save user settings like customized vocabularies, button timing settings, pronunciations, profiles, and more. Once you back up these settings to a USB, you can transfer the settings to a new NovaChat or use it to restore a NovaChat. For example, you are trialing a NovaChat. You have created a customized vocabulary, added pronunciations, set up button timing, and created profiles. At the end of the trial, the team decided to purchase a NovaChat, and now you have your new NovaChat. You can now transfer all that work you have done on the trial device to your personal NovaChat with the User Backup and Restore feature. Let's take a look at how to back up and restore your NovaChat. We are excited to introduce two new voices to our suite of a cappella voices. Darius is the first African American adult male voice. Let's listen to Darius.
Hello, my name is Darius, an adult male English voice from a cappella. This could be your new voice. This could be your new voice.
Now, let's listen to Taylor, an adult female voice.
Hello, my name is Taylor, an adult female English voice from a cappella.
Let's chat about WordPower. WordPower 25 Touch and Scan has several new updates. These updates make WordPower 25 in English and Spanish align more closely. These updates also make WordPower 25 more similar to other English WordPower vocabulary files. So, what's new? Core vocabulary has been added to category pages. This feature is similar to other WordPower vocabularies. When on a category page, like the food, toys or reading page, an individual now has access to core words to form utterances without going back to the home page. Another new feature is the addition of past tense forms. For several verbs, the past participle is now available. For example, one can now say, I have eaten. Also, past tense forms of verbs are available for related core words on category pages. For example, on the toys page, you can now say, I played bubbles. A few words and phrases have been added to other WordPower vocabularies. Let's take a look. In the WordPower 25 Español files, the imperative cómelo has been added. Additionally, the question ¿Qué es eso? Has been added to the preguntas page. In WordPower Español files, finally, in WordPower 60 Francais, the word troupe has been added to the describe page.